The most brilliant mind that ever crossed this earth in terms of humanity are people like Charles Darwin, Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, a guy named Faraday, and a playwright called William Shakespeare. Right? Einstein was using about 7% of his brain. That's why he could theorize the theory of relativity, right? Energy equal mass squared, E equal m squared. You know about that? Have you heard about that? All right. Now, his protege, who's the guy that he taught, was Isaac Newton, and Isaac Newton split the atom and discovered that nuclear power 7.1%. Now, she is using about the average 2.5, 3.5. You are using about 3.5, going 4. He's using about 1% of his brain. Him. Bashment is about the same 3.5, right? The average person uses that, right? Portia Simpson, who happens to be the prime minister of this country, is using less than 1% of her brain. What about the oldest?
And why you say that?
Eh?
And why you say Portia is less than 1%?
The woman has a cognitive deficit. She don't understand something readily. Right? She don't see a fuck.